Today is 4/29/25, and we want to turn off the maintenance light on the 2500 Accord, which is yellow up there. It flashes. Most people say it turns on after 7,500 miles, reminding you to do an oil change. So let's go ahead and stick this key in here, but before that, press that button right there. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. My phone right here. This hand's gonna press the button. There we go. Then I'm gonna angle this way. You can see the maintenance light. There it goes. It turned off. I'm gonna blow my finger, and then we're gonna start the car. And my mileage now is 227,006, roughly 650. So 7,000 miles from that, 7,500 miles from that is like 14 plus the 600, so 14, maybe 15,000 miles, and the light will come on again. So that's that. Thanks for following. Let's go out.